Hello and welcome to this channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to show you how you can stake your ADA coins in a wallet to earn passive income. Now you can use the Yoroi wallet for that, and the way you do this, you can go to Google Chrome, to the Chrome Web Store, and in the Chrome Web Store you can download this extension. And I'm going to do this now, so you want to make sure that you have here the correct one, because I'd always be very careful. There might be scam ones out there, and you can find out if it's a scam one if the here the ratings are not good, or if the number of users is very low. So the correct one here has over 200,000 users in the Chrome Web Store, and you want to make sure that you choose the correct one, right? Because you don't want to give your information to some dodgy whatever, hacker or something. So what you do, you add it to your Chrome browser, add extension, and it's checking. It might take a while. It's going to add it to Chrome, and it's now been added to Chrome. You can see here, this is the Yoroi Wallet. So what do you do now? You now click on your Yoroi Wallet extension, and you get to this website here. Here you can select your language. In this case, I choose English. Terms of use. So this is the stuff that normally nobody reads through. I mean, I must admit, I did read through it. I guess it's not too long, to be honest, compared to some other ones that are out there. For example, for Apple or whatever, they are always horribly long. Now, an important thing that I would always make sure I'm going to read is definitely the privacy section here. So when you do this, I'd make sure at least read through that. You really should read through everything, so you're not surprised by anything. Personally, from my point of view, I was quite happy with it. There was one strange sentence in privacy here. There was one sentence here which I found a bit strange under privacy. When reasonably practicable, the company will attempt to respect users' privacy. Well, I'm not quite sure. That leaves a bit of leeway for them. I don't really know. But to be honest, I think Yoroi, from what I heard, what I read, it is a pretty good wallet. So, you know, in the end, I would always make sure that when you have larger amounts anyway, I would always keep it in a hardware wallet. But let's go ahead, and I just want to show you how this works here. So you agree with the terms of use, you click continue. Now, what I would do in the beginning, you can see here a simple one and an advanced one, right? So if you choose the simple option here, what it says: simplest experience possible, no previous knowledge in blockchain required, highly friendly to onboard beginners and for users that prefer simplicity. I really like that option that they've got this here. Under advanced, I have some understanding of blockchain and how cryptography is used to power both the blockchain itself and wallet software. I'm okay with seeing options and functionality that critically depend on my understanding of these concepts. Now, to show you how it works, I still will choose advanced here because I'm not really a beginner in blockchain. Do you want to enable Cardano payment URLs? These will allow you to easily share invoices with friends. At the moment, I'm going to skip that. Although you will not be able to use payment URLs, you will still be able to generate them. You can do that. Right, confirm. Right, and this is now where it is, where it's getting important. So what you can do, you can connect it actually to a hardware wallet. For example, if you use a Trezor or if you use a Ledger, or for the sake of simplicity here, we're just going to create an online wallet. But to be honest, the safer way is always to connect it to a hardware wallet. So even if you do this now, create wallet, you can always connect it to a hardware wallet later. And you can also restore a wallet if you had one previously. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new wallet now. As you can see here, you can pick actually a currency here. You can choose Ergo and Cardano. In this case, I'm going to choose Cardano. Ergo, by the way, I'm going to do a video on that very soon. I think it's another very interesting option. And let's pick Cardano now. You can create a wallet. So a standard wallet backed by a recovery phrase, or you get a paper wallet. So what that says is paper wallets can be created even on devices not connected to the internet, which makes them well suited for single-use code storage. Now in this case, I want an online wallet, and what you do, you give it a name, you create a password. So whenever you log in again, you just need to use that password now, and I'm going to do that now. and I'll see you in the next step. Now you will see the recovery phrase. And what it says on the following screen, you will see a set of 15 random words. This is your wallet backup phrase. It can be entered in any version of Yoroi in order to back up or restore your wallet's funds and private key. Now, again, make sure nobody looks into your screen unless you want them to have access to your funds. Now, this is very important, especially if you don't have previous experience with crypto wallets or anything. This 15 random word key recovery phrase is crucial, right? You will need that whenever you lose access to your wallet or anything and you want to restore it. Anybody with these 15 random words can access your funds. So this is really just in case of an emergency when you cannot recover it, or when you need to access it, when you lost access. So you want to make sure that you write these words down and you don't take a photo of them, you don't store them on your phone, you don't store them in an Excel file on your laptop or anything. No, you store them offline on paper, and ideally maybe even in something like a, depending on how much money you've got on that wallet or how many coins you've got on that wallet, you want to make sure you store it maybe even in a safe storage vault or something, right, where nobody can access it. Right, so you tick this and then you continue. Right, what I've done now, I've actually written these down, these words on a piece of paper. After that, you are asked to put them in the right order again, just to make sure that you wrote them down in the right order. And then it gives you get to this page here, where you just need to understand this and click it, and then you confirm it. Okay, now what you can see, I'm now in this wallet. It's got a very nice layout, very good overview, I think. Shows you here straight away how many ADA do you actually have, what have your rewards been, how much have you actually delegated for staking. So delegating means that is where you delegate something to basically to a staking pool, because you do not stake yourself, you have to delegate it because you probably don't fulfill the requirements for a staking pool yourself. So that is why you generally delegate. If you then have any ADA here on your wallet, what you can do, first of all, you can see all your transactions here. Yeah, just to give you an overview, you can send your ADA to another wallet. You can receive something here. So in case you send yourself something to this wallet, you can see that here, and you can see your address. You can do some voting here. However, I have never done that. I don't know what that is. But then here on the delegation list, that is where it gets very interesting and very important, because here you can actually see what these are the different pools that you can actually delegate something to. What you can see here actually also is your return, annualized return in percent. This is based on the staking result from the last 30 days. So here you get an idea. To be honest, they don't differ much from each other, but you can pick your pool that you want to delegate to here. What is important, normally the smaller the pool size, the more rewards there are. So this is just, I think, one way of the algorithm to make sure that pools don't get too big. So basically, if the pool is too big, rewards go down slightly, which then gives people more encouragement to pick a smaller pool. You can also see the average cost here on the right hand side, because every pool, because you're just delegating, every pool has a small charge, and then basically you can click here on the right hand side to delegate, and you pick the pool that you want to delegate to. And as you can see, there are quite a few here, quite a few actually, so it's up to you who you choose then. And as you can see here, there are smaller ones, there are bigger ones, and this is pretty much the whole process. And then if you do that, you can actually earn passive income through Cardano, through ADA, and I just love doing this. It just gives you a great way of making use of your ADA. It helps the blockchain, and it helps you because you earn some ADA and money passively. It's just a great thing. Ideally, you do it, you forget about it, and then maybe you get a nice surprise when in a year or two you open your wallet again. All right, so hopefully you liked that video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to join the community here and subscribe to the channel, that would be great. See you in the next video. Bye.